this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a weekly habit that will help you get and stay organized. And this has to do with your paperwork. In spite of the fact that we are in a largely digital age, there are still some paper documents that circulate through our lives. Sometimes they arrive in the mail, sometimes we carry them in. And we don't always have time at the moment they arrive to file them away. So what I suggest is that you keep a folder, maybe in a holder on your desk or in a sort of mailbox with slats that you can just drop it in. And that location is for paperwork to file. Paperwork to file. So on the daily, we can just be tossing our paperwork into the to file location. And then once a week, set aside time, probably like 5 or 10 minutes, to take all of the paper that has accumulated and file it into your filing system. Probably at least 3 kinds of files that these items might land in. One is your active files. So these are files for things that are ongoing, you're touching them sort of regularly. This could be anything from a statement from a current investment to a household bill, credit card statement, things that are sort of ongoing that you may be touching on a regular basis. Anything that you're touching kind of on a regular basis. So those are your active files. Then we have reference files. And these are files that maybe we periodically check, but not all the time. Maybe we have academic records, or maybe we have some files related to our business that we don't look at often, but we're not ready to let go of because every now and then we want to check and look at those. So those would be your reference files. And then lastly, there are permanent paper files. These are paper documents that we really never want to get rid of. That includes the sort of last 5 to 7 years, depending on who you talk to, of your tax records, car titles, your last will and testament, and other documents having to do with end of life. Anything that's a legal document, like a baptism, a marriage certificate, divorce certificate, military paperwork. These kinds of things really should just be kept. They don't have to be kept right in the most convenient drawer in your desk or to the side of your desk, but they should be kept. And maybe you have a box that you keep in an attic, a basement, or on a shelf in an unused closet. So, once a week, empty out all that paperwork that has accumulated in your to file location and slot it into your filing system. If you need help setting up a filing system and don't have one, please message me, comment below, and we can talk.